Abusuan for before I start this my conversation, my main kai will say we find ourselves in a month. Nsuo emremu ena yewo nsuo etoto inti bia wo bia no wo pia na waye ahweye sanso na wana motuo no so obeye ahweye because nsuo emremu de chale nsem bebre ena edenam. There is a video that a brother from my side, me can't say my side, a Western region. I'm a proud Western boy, proud Nzema boy. So anytime there are some things happening at my end, now I also need to use my platform to talk and amplify about some of these happenings or some of the happenings nibi akoso ha ehun hia sem betena se na my use my platform. Now, with him say Oba Ghana ha region recorded the highest rainfall any Western region, and if it is Western region, there's one place that we can't exempt, that is Axim Ewo Nzema Asase. So and say Axim is recording the highest rainfall. Automatically some communities, some neighboring communities are a band here, they will also find themselves in that zone, no? And problems bebre na ebede nam so ama aba say insuo eto na eto kese ewo Western region dia chale wo ha eho eyehu papa. Most of times no ekwan bebre a link to these communities ni bi deplorable. So considering say area bompo etisen na insuo esanso atoto akeka ho ana insuo eto na some of the results ni bi ebelidi aba no. Just imagine. Abusuan for me din the Kobe Josvan. I'm a blogger, social influencer, and a pandit now. When him send tenacity, I don't say in some be a coso our social media apps and so in some be ACC and when he say better nasi near use your platform to talk about it be an amabua and now answer and measurement common no. Say all your parties, weddings, engagement, no po be my party na a party there, and my lazy foods and your plug lazy foods easily gone. I drink and poku and so more stand so in these communities and its environment there, you link up with lazy foods and my party na a party. Distance is never a barrier. So even if you are bungurungu location be you find yourself be an person lazy foods and my party no. A party dia na yesonko dia, just call them check the details na our screen so na frame na woni mu ending komo sanso na wa yare ache o hwe bia obenya wa yare sa eno adro dia na wo hwe ayare sa fie papa dia ndi ma edu herbal hospital enye wa yare sa fie edu herbal hospital o mankesim ba fikrom sanso na ba odoko official town here in Accra so omo wo ho ombebo ama wo yare no maternity once and for all ya wonso wotisi highway ne so a wonya issues bia ewo highway ne so na kai se mo de bites runku bi aba SM bites na akọ bi anim na ebo adwuma eye adwuma ewo highway ne so why adwuma abre hu hia SM bites na watenka na ada wo libido no ada dia SM bites beboa na Kenya ama wo atenka so asori ya ye je 3 points ewo highway ne so anso betumi agibi wo wansema wo jomoro wo half-ass ne lembele evalojula. Now when you forklift on now pursue forklift there and I bring you good news from Step 79 Safety Forklift. Within a period of 3 weeks, no abadani experienced forklift operator. Me media Nzema grab this opportunity and come and thank me later. TVET MVTR for amamo accreditation, so documentations, licensing, any problem. But boama bibia kototin ya so WTC highway ne so a wonso obeje with 3 points. Now when they are buying any issues bia our highway ne so. Abusuan for let me take you to Western region, Jomoro, and Nzema to be precise. Now, one of the communities Nibia ewo Jomoro edi Tekinta tender. To my Nzema people watching me, if I say tender, you understand. Takinta. Na from Nanamo and Prenso till now. Ekwan ankasa elidi to the junction to the next community aye edu suazo. Ekwan ankasa yengu so da. Most importantly, and on most occasions, the yeten huni say ekwane say the best way yetumi puti that road no and say ye befa excavators na ye juru ekwane so ya at least drivers are eye juma ewo ho, motors are eye juma ho will get access to the road no yamonson they won't face difficulties and challenges. Now woni made nanu insuo ya etoye de asem ene nsem bebre aba sisi amino kasai ekwan no enye ekwan no asai na wei ena me nkɔɔfo no de amaneɛ wei asoma me sɛ because of say me what platform na me kasa eduru akyire no, I should use my platform to make noise about some of the problems ni bi a mo face ɛwɔ Takinta ɛne ne neighboring communities. So if Takinta experience this situation, any problem where you should imagine say adusu azo other communities to say new town ɛhɔ kwan no minim sɛ bia sisi a na magu so dia, but as at the time I'm over here na enye. So if Takinta is experiencing this problem there, then it should tell you say some of these communities are yan shada engu mo kwan no so ekwan no enye ayasan so efani ye ho in a raining season there. Then you should imagine how deplorable the road will be. As it stands now, people from Takinta, people from Adusu Azo find it very difficult accessing the road connecting from Takinta Junction to Adusu Azo, and this is a big problem. Looking at the current situation ewo Takinta tender and how ekwan aya sisia yesu efre the municipal assembly MC ene ne apamfo say they should come to the people of Takinta aid na momboamo. As it stands now no car to me enko. I mean say Takinta now we a driver now person will call Adusu Azo, that is the next community before say we call the next community unless we pass it through Takinta ekwano. As a result of equanimity, drivers are unable to use the road, and we so abeye problem kese ama drivers any people are living in these communities no say obi pese okodi njuma na ekwan obefa so na watumi akodi njuma na sa ekwan no enya. It tends to be a headache, it tends to be a problem. Waiting na misusu fre na me use this platform to call upon our MP Honorable Afutofe, our DC Iwo Jomoro, any all opinion leaders say Mumbra na mumboa the people of Takinta and all these people ninyina Nzema, most especially water zone as a result of this heavy downpour no ama mo mabeye victim no to go to their aid and also help them if possible. A permanent solution to some of these problems are moving forward. We won't be experiencing some of these problems abra nso beto abusonafo say wonso bia won so you are a victim now as a result of heavy downpour no you've become a victim, and or your place is also facing similar problem. Use the comment section to also add your voice. Na use your platform to amplify. Those in authority, the appropriate people now between abua to help resolve some of these problems, and so will also come to our aid. Na abua amabibia akototin. Meseleke meke eshe yemedi Nzema mo ehia bemoale na. At this point, this is the time that we all have to come together and find a better way to resolve this problem amicably. Meseke MP or Newa said yeke ebaye adele roads, but as an MP in your capacity, about our lobby, the people of Jomoro, the people of Takinta, Adusu Azo, any other communities more as a result of this rainfall bahaye victims to also help resolve some of these problems. This is the time that our people need your help most. So in as much as out of your busy schedules, make time and make a step to Takinta and some of these affected communities. Let us all contribute to find ways and means to help resolve this problem amicably. And if possible, find a permanent solution to some of these problems. Mediama, Miduma Ale Kobe Josvan. I'm a blogger, social influencer, and a pundit now. So we share more highway news so I'll be to my friend me. Kobe Josvan, the nation's blogger, or the ugly village boy. Macrow.